Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by using one consistent Google account across phones, tablets, and desktop because your library and preferences sync through that account. Once done, update the YouTube Music app so features match across devices, and make sure each device has a stable Wi-Fi connection and background data allowed. This prevents stalled syncs. Now open the app on your primary device and go straight to library settings to enable account sync and downloads. This is the first actionable step to trigger cross-device syncing. Now you enable the key options. In Settings, tap Library and Downloads and turn on Sync Library so playlists, likes, and uploads propagate. Make sure downloads are set to your preferred quality and storage location so offline copies match across devices. Also enable Smart Downloads if you want automatic offline updates, and grant the app background refresh and storage permissions. Without them, files won't update automatically. Once these are set, make an intentional change, like creating a playlist to force immediate sync, and verify it appears. Finish by verifying the change on each device. Open YouTube Music, pull to refresh, and wait a minute for cloud propagation because changes sync asynchronously. If you don't see updates, sign out and sign back in on the problem device, clear the app cache, and retry. This forces a full library resync. Make sure your YouTube Music subscription is active and that every device uses the exact same Google account. Mismatched accounts or expired subscriptions are the most common cause when sync fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.